Hello, Lehigh Carbon Community College. My name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today, we're going to be talking about using verbs to help you motivate your actions. Right? So in your planner or your to-dos, right, you have the word paper written. What does that mean? Try to use verbs when you're scripting your days out and use it in your vocabulary. Right? Think about this. Drafting, draft paper, revise paper, submit paper. These are all different things, right? So using verbs in your planning and your to-dos will help you keep moving forward, keep doing the correct things, and keep you moving on your path. So use verbs on your to-dos and in your planners so you stay moving forward. All right, everybody. See you next time.